Things we did in school that today's kids will never experience. To show off your new clothes, you'd walk to the back of the classroom to sharpen your pencil. When your gym class had these, you knew it was going to be a good day. Blue is for math, red is for English, green is for science. That's all I remember, LMAO. Coming back to art class and seeing your artwork resting on the drying racks. When these came out during the math lesson, I knew I was failing that part of the chapter. Does anyone remember making bookmarks by putting glue in those rectangular spots? I still have a bump on my finger from the way I held my pencil all throughout school. We did this more than once. This was how we used to play on the computer as kids, always oddly consistent.